Hello guys, in this video I will actually share this insane Chinese-based GitHub repository which contains thousands of free and unlimited coding CLI agents which can basically create your applications without paying subscription fees. So I have given the link of this GitHub repo in the description of the video. So once you land on this GitHub repo, it's already have 587 GitHub stars. So this Chinese GitHub repo, it's actually adding all the free unlimited coding AI agents whenever it's released. As you can see, both all these are open source, and once you read about this agent, a short little description will also be there, and how many GitHub stars are also there. So you simply click on any individual coding extension, then it will open its GitHub page, and directly you can explore the official website. So for example, this is Hermes agent, which is really popular among developers. It's similar to Claude Codex. It's an automated tool for developers. You can download this for Windows, Linux, Mac. So similarly, you have thousands of coding AI agents in this GitHub repo. So you come to the second one. It is, as you see, it's claw code. You repeat the process. You simply click on that, and you will be redirected to their GitHub page. And from here, you can actually read more about it. So this will save you a lot of time because in a single GitHub repo, it contains thousands of CLI tools. So you can see that, and they will be adding coding agents whenever they are released. So this GitHub repo will be updated. So definitely go to this, just start this GitHub repo so that you also will not be missing on coding agents. So I just recently found this on 2 weeks ago. So you can see open code. It's also open source, open AI coding agent. So the instructions are quite simple. Once you go to the extension, simply go to the website, and you will see the actual information about this, how to get started. You go to the second, the Gemini CLI Codex, Open Hands. So I also didn't know about certain coding extensions which I got to know about using this GitHub repo. So definitely it's a very useful GitHub repo. I have given the link in the description of the video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also comment if you like this GitHub repo or not. So you can see open hands. Similarly, the command is given. You can just execute this and get started for automating your development. You can see that the process remains the same. You click on the individual extension, and then it will redirect you. You can see that it's quite simple. As you can see, you can also click on the pricing as well, so you can see it's completely free. So similarly, you have more extensions. So you can see that thousands of coding AI agents are there. So it's an insane GitHub repo. It's actually a Chinese based GitHub repo. They're actually adding on a daily basis whenever there are new free unlimited coding agents are there. So I have given the link. You can even clone this GitHub repo inside your system. The process remains very safe. Uh, this will be the link. Simply copy this and simply clone this git by the git command. Directly clone this inside your system, so whenever there is update coming, you will automatically get notified. So you can just see it's just 2 months, 4 months ago created. So almost 587 GitHub stars, 142 forks. So definitely a very important, useful GitHub coding repository. Definitely check this out. I've given the link in the description of the video.